Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable RAM expansion on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First, open Settings on your smartphone and then scroll down to About Device section. Open it and then go to RAM menu in here. Enable RAM expansion by switching this toggle to the right and then select the amount of RAM, virtual RAM, you want to expand the phone's memory by. And to apply changes, you're gonna have to restart your phone. To restart your phone, press power button and volume up keys at the same time, then swipe the circle up to restart. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.